Are you frustrated with your financial life? If the answer is yes, nahirap ka sa reaching your financial dreams, tapos ang dami mong gustong gawin na tutulong ka sa pamilya, tutulong ka sa mahihirap, you want to help the church and the ministry, mabait kang tao. Pero in terms of your life, medyo may problema sa finances. Teka muna, not that you're not earning. You're earning naman. Maganda naman yung kita mo. Ang problema, wala kang ipon. Number 2, wala kang investments. Ipon lang. There's a big difference between ipon and investments. Tapos ito pa, isa lang ang income stream mo. You want to have 2 or 3 or 4. My friends, let me share with you who I am. My name is Sanchez, and I'm a missionary. Been a missionary for 42 years. Now, you might be asking me, Brother Bo, misyonaryo ka. Bakit nagtuturo ka ng pera? Ay nako, I have a long journey to tell you, pero iiklian ko lang. I came to know God in a very special way when I was 12 years old, and I gave my life to Him. I started serving the poorest of the poor, living in the slums, taking care of, trying to... Pero ito yung may problema ako. In my mind, akala ko, to love God, kailangan mahirap ka. Kasi kung gusto mong to love the poor, kailangan ikaw rin poor. Ay, ganyan talaga ako. I never wanted to talk about money, never wanted to think about money, never wanted to think about business. Wala yan. Makademonyo yan. Basta tayo kay Lord, Bible, salvation, church, prayer, lagi yan. Ito yung problema ko. Everywhere I go, preaching, praying for people, ang daming humihingi ng pray over, daming humihingi ng dasal sa akin. Ito yung na-discover ko, kalahati ng mga taong yon, financial problems. Baon sa utang, kulang sa pera para sa tuition fee, may nasa ospital, kailangan bayaran, walang pera. Alam mo, talagang my heart was broken. Kasi puro dasal lang ako, dasal. Oh Lord, bless them, bless them. Wala akong bigay na advice. Kasi wala akong alam eh. And true, in my life, wala naman talaga akong pera. I was single at the time, kaya okay lang, di ba? And I was proud na wala akong pera. Ganun eh, wrong mindset talaga eh. But then I went through a transformation. 20 plus years ago, I want to thank God. He changed my thinking. Na ang pera, hindi masama. Hindi rin mabuti. Depende. Depende kung sino hahawak. Kung ikaw, mabait na tao, hahawak ng pera, yung pera, maganda yan. Kasi makakatulong, makakabless. Hindi masama ang pera, hindi rin mabuti. Depende sa hahawak. And I'm gonna ask you this question. Would you want to be blessed financially? Diba? So that you can continue to be doing good and being a blessing to the world. Yun ang ating goal. And so, 20 plus years ago, I started transforming my financial life. I started studying, I started investing, started learning from business mentors, and it was a long journey, a beautiful journey. And then, I started helping other people. And it has been transformative. And that's what I want to share with you today. I'm not selling a seminar. Kasi ang problema, by the way, I give seminars and they're effective, but they can only go so far eh. Alam mo, yung seminar, after 4 hours, after 8 hours, tapos na. Bye! Yung success rate, parang maliit lang. That's why I want to invite you into an immersive community, a family. It's called the Truly Rich Club. Na I want you to join us and I want you to learn. I want you to become a gold member of the Truly Rich Club. And for 1 year, I want you to just get into it and learn it. What will you get as part of the Truly Rich Club? First of all, we're gonna teach you how to invest. Pag wala kang investments, sigurado yan, hindi ka yayaman. Hindi pwede. Or, kikita ka ng malaki siguro sa some way or another, pero mawawala rin kung hindi ka nag-i-invest. Very, very important. So we will teach you how to invest directly into the stock market. Twice a month, I will send you a stocks update. email, and then I will tell you specifically what stocks to buy, what stocks to sell. This is going to be where I will invite you na 20% sana of your income, ideally, start investing every month, little amounts every month, magiging multi-millionaire ka. And when? Over time. Long-term to. Hindi to quick, rich scheme. Pandaraya yun, scam yun. Hindi pwede yun. Kailangan mahaba yung ating plano. No? Long-term talaga. 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Ganon. Ganon ang usapan. Pero, very steady, very slowly, but very surely, very stable, talagang grow. Tapos, on the side, we will open your mindset to start having side hustles, sideline, para hindi lang isa lang income stream mo. Sana dalawa, sana tatlo, So para mas madali yung pag-ahon mo so that you can reach your financial dreams. This is the gold membership of the Truly Rich Club. Are you ready? I want to share with you, you will receive 15 blessings in the Truly Rich Club when you become a member for 1 whole year. Are you ready? I'm gonna discuss it with you. Okay? First blessing, we will teach you how to build your wealth by saving small amounts every month. So we'll teach that to you through this a very important video course. Number 2, we're gonna teach you how to manage your money well. Napakahalaga, to be able to manage ano na yung meron ka. Next blessing, we will teach you how to get out of debt. So, may video course kami. Yan ang tuturo natin. Number 4, very important. We're going to give you a different mindset para alam mo, ang money problem is a mind problem eh. So, we're gonna send you GodWhispers every day. Araw-araw yan, you will receive it. And then slowly you will realize magbabago yung pananaw mo sa buhay, pananaw mo sa sarili mo. Ay nako, money problems are mind problems. Fix the mind problems and you will be able to fix the money problems. Next, blessing number 5. We will send you 50 Ipon hacks. On just how to save. Alam mo, magugulat ka. Yung mga maliliit na akala mo, ay liit-liit yan, magsisave ako. Hindi na. Nako, over time, milyon ang pinag-uusapan natin na ipon. Over time. Especially if you learn how to invest. Blessing number 6. You will receive a course on how to invest in mutual funds by our finance guru, Rex Mendoza. Probably one of the best financial teachers ngayon sa bansa. Ang galing. So, itong video course na to, so if you notice, itong iniimbita ko sa inyo, it's crazy. It's like, hindi lang 1-day seminar, 1/2-day seminar. Hindi, this is a whole year program na maraming seminars, pero immersive. Ibig sabihin, talagang you're surrounded and ang laking tulong. Sobra. Blessing number 7, you will have an opportunity to earn. Kikita ka. Paano? We designed it this way, na pag mag-imbita ka ng member sa Truly Rich Club, meron kang 20% commission. At hindi lang yon, yung member na in-invite mo, pag nag-invite rin siya, meron ka pang 5%. Dalawang level lang. We made it so simple, no? Bakit? And why? Para may dagdag ka na pag-invest. Para masasabi mo na, uy, dalawa na ang income stream ko. No? So biglang dalawa na when you start. Yeah, and this is an opportunity. You don't have to do this, but it's open for you. Very, very important. Ngayon, aside from that, sasabihin na natin, blessing number 8. Ito, this is so super good. I love this. The stocks update that I talked about a while ago, ito na. No? Very important. Twice a month, you will receive an email telling you what stocks to buy and what stocks to sell. Specifically, parang kami yung spoon-feeding you, a tour guide telling you. And it is so practical. Very, very important. Gold blessing number 9. Ito, magugulat kayo. 100,000 pesos life insurance free para sa gold member. Hindi lang yon. Another 100,000 pesos accident insurance libre rin for all gold members. Alam mo, A lot of people say, insurance, kailangan ba yan? Naku, napakahalaga. While you're building your wealth, anything can happen. And God can take you home. Paano naman yung mga anak, yung mga elderly parents, anyone dependent on you? At least, it's not big, 100,000 pesos plus another 100,000 for accident. It's not big, but it is, at least there's something, no? And that's a gift. Libre po for all Gold members. And then Gold blessing number 10. You will receive 2 of my Power Talks every month, again for mindset change, inspiration, encouragement. And then blessing number 11, you will receive my WealthStrategies letter every month. It's like a seminar in a letter. And you will learn strategies, gain wisdom on how to navigate on your financial freedom. Gold blessing number 12, you will receive my video course on how to become truly rich. And this is our course that has blessed thousands upon thousands of people. It's there for your listening pleasure. And then you will learn. Light bulb moments yan. Pag nakikinig kayo and you'll say, ay, ang ganda, sobra. And then blessing number 13, you will also get my ebook, How to Conquer Your Goliaths. You will learn 7 keys on how to be able to overcome your problems that are preventing you from reaching your goals. Importante yan. And then Gold blessing number 14, one of my favorite books that I've ever written. You will receive the ebook on how to turn thoughts into things. Alam nyo, so many people tell me, Brother Bo, ba't ka ganyan? Parang meron kang magic touch. Yung iniisip mo pa lang, biglang after a few months, uy, nandyan na. Yung book, yung magazine, yung organization, yung ministry, yung negosyo. I want you, I kind of like thought about it and put it in this book. How to turn your thoughts into things. And this is given to you as a truly Rich Club member of the Gold membership. Ito pa. Gold blessing number 15. Ito, huge bonus. As a Gold member, you will receive a video course on how to sell online. Ngayon, sasabihin mo sa akin, Brother Bo, parang ayoko yan. Parang hindi ko kaya yan. Or, alam nyo, just learn. In this time and age, e-commerce, ang tawag nila dito, is taking over the world. And as a ako, being your friend now in the Truly Rich Club, you need to learn this. Libre po ang video course na to. It's a blessing to all Gold members of the Truly Rich Club. Ang daming courses that you can receive. It's available in your vault, in your video vault, as a member of the Truly Rich Club. I want you to know, let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Yung financial dreams mo to become a multi-millionaire, to be able to help a lot of people, let's make it happen by letting you join, at least for 1 year, no, in this Truly Rich Club immersive experience. Something else I want you to know. Make it happen. Try it out for 1 month. If you do, I'll take all the risk. If you don't like it, sabihin mo sa amin, and we'll return your money. No questions asked. Why am I taking this risk? Bakit ako ganito ka-crazy? I want you to know that I am super confident that the Gold membership of the Truly Rich Club is amazing. And you will love it. And you will realize, sana dati pa ganito na, may ganito. But this is here. We've been able to help. 12 years na po ang Truly Rich Club. We've been able to help thousands of people already migrate in this journey. Tapos kami yung tour guide, no? And some of them, amazing, 12 years na with us, 11 years na with us, 10 years na with us, 9, 8, ang tatagal na. Because they've realized this, we're here for the long haul. Ang financial dreams nandito. May bayad po ba ang membership ng Truly Rich Club? Meron po, pero sa sobrang liit. Kung i-compute mo, i-divide mo yan in 365 days, sobrang barya, but the investments, the return is amazing. Iisipin mo lang yung insurance sa 100,000, life insurance plus 100,000, accident insurance, parang yun na yung presyo. You walk into the door of any insurance company, tanungin mo magkano yan, parang ganun na. But that's not it. It's just all the 15 blessings of a Gold member. Kaya po, come and join us. change your financial journey, make it happen, reach your financial dreams. We would love to help you. Click that link now, and together, let's make your financial dreams come true. I will see you inside the Truly Rich Club.